hide behind DRO. What's he got? It's like 1200, 20 to 12, 13, 1200.
Is the highest.
Inch metric threading. Gear changes. Taper. Big 4-jaw chuck. Got stock steady rest. Waves are in nice shape. What's it hooked up to power wise?
230 volts.
230 volts.
240.
240. Cut through hole. All right, it's fired up.
Going 230.
200. Okay.
230.
230 RPM.
Got the feed in. We got the feed in high so we can see it.
Okay.
You know. Watch that.
All right. Brake down there.
Brake. It's 230. Now this is
Switch it. That 230, was that in low or?
it's in low.
Okay.
This is high.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna take the set the feed down so the feed shaft ain't flying.
Okay. So what is this one now? This is the higher
800.
800. Oh, you've checked all the
I went
different
through all
gears.
the speeds.
Okay.
We can just, I don't want to do 1200 without,
No. Yeah, right there.
it's
105.
105 in the
So
high.
this is 105 in the high range.
All the headstock speeds sound good.
Okay.
And then a low.
That's like 30s.
Yep.
Okay.
All the feeds numbers work with the shafts. You got your forward and reverse for your feed shaft and your screw, and you also got a low and high for your feed
For
shaft.
the feeds?
and screw.
Okay.
So it's like a 2-range feed, you know.
Okay. Okay. Here's your gap here. All right.